Credit Karma is lying to you, and I'm about to tell you why. Hey, what's going on, my YouTube family? It is your favorite stay-at-home millionaire here, Sierra Nicole, and we are back with another video. Today, we are going to be talking about credit. Yes, credit and why you should delete your Credit Karma app right now. Now, the Credit Karma app has become extremely popular over the last several years, and one of the main factors as to why it's so popular is because they claim to give you your credit score for free. Yes, for free, meaning it doesn't cost you any money. But is it actually free? One thing that you have to consider when you are using the Credit Karma app is that it may not be costing you any dollars, but there is always an opportunity cost on the other side of that. Now, one of the main components of that is that they are selling your information to different companies. They sell your data, they sell your information. You can see this in their terms and conditions that you sign or that you agree to when you sign up for the platform. So you are basically waiving your rights to not have them sold when you sign up for the platform. Now, number two, the second reason why you should be deleting your Credit Karma app is that your Credit Karma app is giving you your Vantage score. Your Vantage score is different than your FICO credit score. Now, your FICO credit score is the score that 90% of banks and lenders are going to use in order to determine if you are worthy of receiving credit from them. So if you are looking at your Credit Karma account and you are seeing a credit score there, it is your Vantage score. Now, your Vantage score is basically the competitor of FICO. So it is a score that is based off of different components within your credit profile, but the kicker of that is most banks will not be going based off of that Vantage score. So you can be looking at your Credit Karma and you think that you have a 600 credit score, and when you go to a bank and apply for a line of credit, there is a 90% chance that that bank is going to be actually looking at your FICO score. So you and your bank will be looking at two totally different scores. And so you will have no idea what they're looking at, what they're going based off of. And you may have a higher Vantage score than the score that you have on your FICO credit report. So that's why it's extremely important to understand the difference and understand that you should be paying attention to your FICO credit score. There are many different ways that you can check what your FICO credit score is. I went ahead and dropped some links for you down in the description box. If you go to yourfreedisputes.com, not only will you be able to sign up for credit monitoring, but you will also get access to a free software that's going to help you dispute negative and incorrect items on your credit report for free. Yes, all you have to do is sign up for the credit monitoring. There are some other ways that you can also look at your FICO credit score. That's through Experian.com, MyFICO.com. Those are two great other resources that you can also use. But if you are going through Credit Karma, there's a good chance that you may not even have any idea what is going on your credit report. There are items that can report to your Vantage credit score profile that won't be reporting on your FICO credit score profile, and vice versa. So it's good for you to be on the same page as any banks or lenders that you are applying to. It's the worst feeling ever to walk into a bank or walk into a dealership thinking you have a 700 credit score when your FICO is saying something totally different. The Vantage score has been around since about 2006, and the FICO score has been around since the 1950s. So although they are competitors, majority of banks have adapted to using the FICO score, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. So if you are someone who is serious about building up your credit, your personal credit, getting in good standing, learning how to use other people's money or the bank's money, right? Using credit, using loans, being able to get vehicles, or you're looking to get a new vehicle sometime soon, I highly recommend that you start paying attention to what is on your FICO report. That is going to be what the banks are using to determine your credit worthiness. Now, one thing that the Credit Karma app is pretty good for is teaching you about the different breakdowns of your actual personal credit, which I'll post a video about that as well, about how to understand the breakdown of your personal credit profile. So they have some different features and tools in their app, but besides that, honestly, the Credit Karma app is really no good. It can be extremely misleading, and I highly recommend you checking out some of the different credit monitoring programs that I have down below in the description box if you are looking to figure out what is actually on your FICO report. So I hope this video has helped somebody and saved them from the heartache of not knowing what their credit report really is when they go and apply for something with a bank or a lender. So if this was helpful for you, you can go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any more content. Thank you so much for tuning in. And once again, this is your favorite stay-at-home millionaire here, Sarah Nicole, and I'm going to catch you on the next video.